Hello friends, and welcome back to the channel on this December 8th and our Elvis Presley Advent Calendar special project. If you missed the previous episodes on this, all the links are down in the description below. And if this is your first time stopping by the channel, welcome and thanks for tuning in. If you wouldn't mind, please click that subscribe button down below. It helps out the channel and I'd really appreciate it. And also give this video a thumbs up because that would be cool too. And for all my returning subscribers, thank you so much for tuning in and supporting the channel. I really appreciate all of you. All right, so let's get right into this and see what box 8 has to offer. All right, box 8 is right here. So let's get that out. See what we have inside. Okay, we have cardboard. Looks like something we need to put together. All right, well, let's before we do that, let's close up our box, put it back in our advent calendar here so we can see how that second picture is coming along. All right, let's go to the book, see what it has to say. All right, this part is talking about the Willys Jeep, which Elvis didn't actually own, but he used because this is during his time in the military. Now, one of the things that I really did appreciate about all this, he didn't exactly join the military like he could have. Because of his celebrity status, he could have just joined in the, special services. But he actually went through basic training in a tank battalion in Fort Worth, Texas. And he served in the 3rd U.S. Tank Division in the Ray Barracks in Friedberg, West Germany, from October 1st, 1958 to March 2nd, 1960. It also talks about the other cars that he owned during his time in Germany, from a VW Beetle, a Mercedes 220, a Mercedes 300, and a BMW 507. Interesting stuff there. Okay, let's see what this box contains and what we need to do here. Day 8 has a small toolbox ready for you. Okay. It consists of 2 parts. Both parts need to be folded on the pre-cut grooved edges. The inner part of the box you can simply put together. The outer part of the box must be glued at the mark. Okay. After gluing, you can slide it over the inner part like a matchbox. Cool. This way, all the small parts that are still to follow, such as screws, are safely stored for further assembly. Okay, so we're going to be building basically a little toolbox matchbox. So let's mark my page. So let's go ahead and figure that out here. So, I don't know if that's the inner part or the outer part. Okay, let's figure this out here. Shouldn't be too hard. Okay. Looks like this. Go in here like so. Yeah, like that. And the same for over here. All right. So that must be our inner box. That one's not staying in there, so we might glue that as well. Let's do our outer box here. Okay, so this just, okay, I see. Just fold that there. That must be where we glue it. Okay, so let me get some glue. Okay, let's add some glue to that. Get that in there. All right, and then that will fit in this way. Like so. All right, that's kind of cool. So I'm going to let that glue dry before I slide that in there. So we're going to let that dry, and that will conclude this episode for December 8th. So I will see you all tomorrow on December 9th, and we'll open up another box and continue on this little project. So as always, everyone just have a great day out there, be safe, and go build something.